Hey there everyone, and welcome to Section 3 of our Video Ads Training Series, the Advanced Video Ad Strategies section, where we are going to show you how to apply proven expert-level strategies in your video advertising campaigns. Contents in this section include creating a brand awareness campaign, creating a video ad on Facebook, creating a video remarketing campaign, other video advertising platforms to consider, optimizing your video ads, video advertising tips and tricks. So let's kickstart this section by walking you through one of our top performing strategies, creating a brand awareness campaign. Okay guys and gals, take your seats and prepare to work, because in this video we are going to teach you how to create a brand awareness video advertising campaign using the AdWords for Video platform. Now, we want to clarify that to this date, the brand awareness video campaign setup is not available right from your regular AdWords account, and that's why it goes under the radar for most marketers. To access this feature, you will need to click on the Try the Faster AdWords shortcut button located on the lower right corner of your AdWords account. Now wait for the Faster AdWords version of your account to load. Once in your Faster AdWords account dashboard, click on the Campaigns tab located on the left-hand menu. Once on the Campaigns page, click on the plus campaign icon, and then click on the New Campaign option. Now click on the Video option from the campaign type selection. One thing worth noting is that the Faster AdWords will allow you to select the campaign goal when you select your campaign type. The video campaign type, for instance, will allow you to choose between two marketing goals. First, product and brand consideration, to get more people to consider buying your products and services, and brand awareness and reach, to build brand recognition and reach a wider audience. Now, to create a brand awareness video campaign, you will simply have to select the brand awareness and reach goal and then to click on Continue. Now you will have to set up your brand awareness campaign. Start by naming your new campaign in the campaign name field. Now, set your budget type as daily and enter a daily budget of $5 to get started. In delivery method, select Accelerated to increase ad delivery for speedier brand recognition. Now adjust your start and end dates with no end date. Select all placements on networks. Now select your target languages and your target locations. In our case, we are going to select the English language, yet we are going to target all countries and territories to increase brand awareness on a global scale. Now set your bidding strategy as maximum CPM and leave the rest of the campaign setup settings on default, and move to the Ad Group section to enter your ad group name in the Ad Group Name field. Now go over to the bidding section and enter a maximum CPM bid of 40 cents. Now you will have to set up your targeting options. Make sure to target any age, any gender, any parental status, any household income in the demographic settings, and to target any interests in the interests settings inside the people who you want to reach section. Now go to the content section to adjust your target keywords, topics, and placements according to your offers, your niche, and your target audience. Now go to the Create Your Video Ad section and enter your video ad URL in the Your YouTube Video field. The bumper ad format will be set as your default ad format based on your bidding strategy. So you will simply have to enter your site's URL in the final URL field, and to enter a URL to display on your ad in the Display URL field. Lastly, select whether to auto-generate a companion banner using videos from your channel or to upload an image, and name your new video ad in the Ad Name field. Now click on Save and Continue. And that is it. Now your business will be truly ready to reach a wider audience in record time. Creating a video ad on Facebook. Hey there, folks. Let's try out a different platform. One that will expose your business to an equally large, equally engaged audience. Let us show you how to create a video ad on Facebook. Start on your Facebook account and click on the menu button. Now click on the Create Ads option and wait for your Ads Manager account to load. You will be taken right away to the campaign creation screen by default. To serve a video ad on Facebook, you will first need to create a new campaign. And to create a new campaign, you have to start by selecting your marketing objective. The objectives offered by Facebook ads include brand awareness, reach, traffic, engagement, app installs, video views, lead generation, messages, conversions, catalog sales, and store visits. For this example case, we are going to select the video views option to increase direct engagement with our video ad. Once you select your objective, you will have to name your new campaign in the campaign name field. Then you'll have to click on the Set Up Ad Account button. On the next page, you will simply have to specify your account country, your currency, and your time zone, and then to click on Continue. Now you have to create your new ad set. Start by naming your new ad set in the Ad Set Name field. Now you have to scroll down to the Audience column. Here, you will have to select your target location or a series of target locations in the Locations box. Simply type the name of your target locations in the text field and click on them to add them to your list of target locations. You can further refine your location targeting by going to the Locations menu and selecting whether to target everyone in this location, people who live in this location, people recently in this location, or people traveling to this location. Now in the Age section, you can select the base age and a top age to target. In the Gender section, you can select to either target men, women, or all. In the Languages field, you can type and select the languages that you want to target. In the Detailed Targeting section, you can include or exclude people based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. In the Connection section, you can reach out to users according to the type of connection that they have with your page, such as people who like your page or friends of people who like your page. In the Placements column, you can select automatic placements or to edit placements. If you select automatic placements, you will serve your ads to all types of users on all types of devices across multiple networks. If you select to edit placements, you will be able to select your own ad placements. On the Budget and Schedule column, you have to set up your budget and your campaign schedule. You can either select a daily budget if you want to spend a fixed daily amount, or you can select lifetime budget if you want to spread your ad spend during the lifetime of your ad. In the Schedule section, you can select the Run My Ad Set Continuously Starting Today option to run your ad with no end date, or you can select the Set a Start Date and an End Date option to schedule your campaign. For this example case, we are going to select a daily budget of $5, and we are going to select the Run My Ad Set Continuously Starting Today option. Once you are done configuring your ad set, click on Continue. On the following page, you will have to edit your ad creative. Start by naming your video ad in the Ad Name field. Now select the Facebook page that you will be using to promote your video ad using the Facebook page menu in the Identity section. Now go to the Format section and select Single Video. Now go to the Video section and click on the Upload Video button and browse for your video on your computer. You can keep customizing your video ad while your video uploads. So let's scroll down to show you how to edit your video ad copy on the Text section. Start by entering your video ad copy in the text field. Now check the Add a Website URL option and enter your website URL or landing page URL in the Website URL field. In the Headline field, you have to enter an engaging headline for your video ad. In our case, we're going to simply enter the name of our business. And in the newsfeed link description, we're going to type a short but actionable phrase related to our business. In the Call to Action menu, you can select the working Call to Action button for your ad. In our case, we're going to select the Learn More option. You can use the Ad Preview feature on the right-hand side to see how your ad is going to look on different placements, such as desktop and mobile feeds. Once your video ad is ready, you'll simply have to click on the Confirm button and to wait for it to be approved. And that's it. Creating a video remarketing campaign. Hey there, everyone. Aren't you tired of getting targets that forget about your brand right after they watch your videos or leave your website? Worry no more, because we are going to teach you how to get back to those potentially lost customers with a video remarketing campaign. To create a video remarketing campaign, you first need to create a remarketing list. A remarketing list is a customer list that you retarget with ads based on previous interactions with your brand or business. To create a remarketing list for your video remarketing campaigns, you have to start on your AdWords account dashboard and to click on the Campaigns tab. Once in the Campaigns section, you'll have to click on the Shared Library menu tab and then click on the Audiences option. Here from the Audiences section, you will be able to set up remarketing lists that will allow you to reconnect with targets that have shown an interest in your brand or business. Click on the New Remarketing List drop-down menu and you will see that there are 4 types of remarketing lists that you can set up: website visitors, mobile app users, YouTube users, and customer emails. Because your remarketing objective is to create a remarketing list to create video remarketing campaigns, you will have to select YouTube users from the menu. You will be taken to the new Video Remarketing List page, where you will be able to create your new video remarketing list. Start by selecting your remarketing list type from the List Type menu. These remarketing list setups include people who have viewed any video from a channel, visited a channel page, viewed any video as an ad from a channel, liked any video from a channel, commented on any video from a channel, shared any video from a channel, subscribed to a channel, added any video from a channel to a playlist, or viewed certain videos. For our example case, we are going to select the Viewed Any Video as an Ad from a channel list type to retarget to people who have viewed video ads from our channel for at least 30 seconds. Now use the YouTube channel menu to select the YouTube channel that you will use for your video remarketing campaigns. Now name your new remarketing list in the List Name field. Now in the Membership Duration box, you have to enter the number of days the user's cookie stays active in the list if the user doesn't interact with your video or channel, which means that you have to specify for how many days you will keep retargeting a user with your video ads after a user stops interacting with your videos or channel. The default membership duration is 30 days. But we recommend you to establish a membership duration of 7 to 14 days if your marketing objective includes low-value orders or website visits, and to establish a membership duration of 30 days if your marketing objective includes high-ticket orders. In the Status section, you have to select to either leave your list's membership status open or closed. Select Open if you want to always keep adding new visitors and leads to your remarketing list, or select Closed if you want to only retarget engaged visitors that are already in your list until the end of your campaign. Lastly, in the Initial List Size section, you have to select the initial size of your list. You can include users from the last 120 days to your new list, or to start with an empty list, to start including visitors to your list once your list is set up and active. Once you have set it all up, click on the Create List button. AdWords will start updating your list according to your configurations. Now it is time to set up your video remarketing campaign. Go back to the Campaigns Dashboard tab and then click on the New Campaign drop-down menu to select the video option. Now name your new video remarketing campaign in the Campaign Name field. For this example case, we are going to click on the existing video campaign menu to select one of our previous campaign configurations. This means that the campaign setup is based on our previous campaign. So we would just need to add remarketing to our targeting criteria. So we scroll down and click on Save and Continue to move to the next step. Now you will simply have to enter your ad group name, your video ad URL, and to customize your video according to the format that you selected. Now enter your maximum bid adjustment and edit your targeting criteria. In our case, we are going to leave them at their default values because we don't want to exclude people from our remarketing list. Now click on the Narrow Your Targeting menu and click on the Remarketing option. You will be able to select your remarketing lists as one of your targeting criteria. To target a remarketing list, you will have to click on the Add button corresponding to any remarketing list in the remarketing list column. Once you have selected your remarketing lists, you'll simply have to click on Done. Finally, click on Save Ad Group once you set it all up. And that is it. Other video advertising platforms to consider. Video advertising isn't limited to YouTube, social media, and your own website. In fact, there are lots of video advertising networks out there. And that is why it can be difficult to choose where to serve your video ads when you're looking to expand your reach beyond the usual channels. So, with that in mind, we have decided to help you out by making a list of our top video advertising network picks for you. We have based our picks on features such as targeting, multi-screen support, existing user base, outreach potential, and analytics. So let's take a look. Hulu. Hulu is a leading video streaming service that offers you an advertising experience that is right for your brand or business. With over 40% of ad-supported subscribers and the largest streaming TV library in the industry, it offers your business the best of TV advertising in digital format. By advertising on Hulu, you will be able to align your brand with premium video content, a younger and more engaged audience, personalized and more precise targeting, and a clutter-free premium advertising experience. TubeMogul. TubeMogul is a leading software platform that enables brands and businesses to plan, buy, measure, and optimize their video advertising efforts. The TubeMogul platform is designed to let you orchestrate sophisticated programmatic video ad campaigns across digital screens, television, and other out-of-home channels. Chocolate. The Chocolate Marketplace is a leading platform for programmatic buying and selling of mobile video advertising. It is the first mobile video-only platform for advertising on mobile web and apps. With over 10,000 publishers, it will allow you to maximize the reach and scale of your video advertising campaigns. It is data-driven and features advanced audience segmentation and targeting. Undertone. Undertone is a pioneering video advertising platform that is still going strong. It is easily configurable and offers you an easy way to serve video ads in high-impact formats that include full-screen video ads, premium pre-roll video ads, and video teasers. It is an awesome alternative to AdWords for video, and it delivers great results. Videology. Videology is a leading software provider for advertising across digital video channels and TV. The Videology platform is designed to turn your audience data and your video inventory into successful video advertising campaigns. The company's converged video advertising software allows advertisers and businesses like yours to drive greater value through cross-screen planning, execution, and measurement, all from a single platform. Select Media. Select Media is a full-stack video and mobile advertising solution for advertisers eager to deliver exceptional video ad campaigns. The Select Media platform connects thousands of publishers, sites, and monetization partners for better efficiency and outreach. It also has built-in real-time filtering that guarantees a safe ad viewing experience to your targets. Its global reach of 350 million viewers across 55 countries, predictive video ad trading, and innovative video ad formats is an excellent choice if you are looking to introduce your business to new markets. Optimizing your video ads. Hey there everyone. As any marketer worth their salt would know, optimization is crucial if you want to get the most bang for your buck out of your video advertising campaigns. Optimization is all about tuning up the best elements of your video ad campaigns while modifying their weaker points. These are the best optimization strategies that you can apply. Narrow down your targeting. It will be inevitable to target a specific yet wide audience at the beginning of your video campaigns, which means that you will inevitably reach unqualified and uninterested viewers. That is why the first optimization rule is to learn how to narrow your targeting. The first thing that you will need to do is to track who is engaging positively with your video ads across all your targeted channels, which means that you will have to take a granular look at your analytics. The most important metrics to measure are views, audience, branding, and conversions. Views refers to how many qualified views you are getting from your audience. Please note that views and audience have to be measured in relation to each other, not separately. The best way to do this is by qualifying views as unique views, where unique views are every single time a video ad was watched by someone without skipping, or at least for most of its run. These unique views represent targets that are either interested in your message or that have been hooked by your ad. You can find these unique views in some analytic tools and dashboards as view-through rates, or VTR. Once you have collected unique views from your audience, you will need to measure branding. Branding is how relevant your message is to your target audience, and you can track this metric by looking at how many likes, comments, and shares your video ads are getting from your qualified audience on each channel and placement. Lastly, you will need to look at conversions, which is simply the number of times that your qualified targets have completed your desired actions, which could be a click-through to your website or even a purchase. Once you have collected all that data, you will simply have to look at who is completing the entire cycle from unique views to conversion, and then narrow down your campaign targeting based on demographics, interests, topics, and keywords from your audience data collection. Create a negative remarketing list. It is important to keep your video ad campaigns within budget, and a very effective way of achieving this is by creating negative remarketing lists on campaigns that have been running for a moderate or long time. What you have to do is to use your video advertising platform's targeting feature to exclude targets that have already watched your video ads from being watched. This way, you will only serve your video ads to new potential customers. Add region-specific closed captions. Take a look at your analytics, and you might be surprised at the positive engagement that some of your video ads will get from certain regions outside of your original target locations. In those cases, it is recommended that you experiment with targeting those regions with your video ads. And you will have to optimize your video ads for those regions by generating quality video transcriptions and adding them to your video ads. You can use a service such as Fiverr.com to outsource high-quality video transcriptions for cheap. Evaluate impressions for higher viewability. Tracking performance isn't just a matter of looking at how many people have watched your video ads without skipping. To effectively track your performance to optimize your video ads for optimal viewability, you will need to evaluate what channels, placements, and platforms are giving you the highest amount of relevant impressions. In fact, you have to take a step forward and evaluate video advertising performance on certain properties and platforms before you even place your video ads in them. For example, you might launch your video campaign on YouTube first to get traction while you view the average performance of video ads on certain websites and placements before you target them through AdWords for video or other third-party video advertising networks. There is a variety of ways of doing this evaluation. You can research how certain video ad campaigns have performed across multiple channels by taking notes on case studies. You can go to the properties that you plan to target yourself and take notes of how you engage with video ads placed in there. Or you can research universal video advertising benchmarks. Lastly, you will be able to evaluate impressions on your campaigns yourself by tracking high-performing and low-performing placements across your campaigns. Redesign your visual assets. You don't need to create a new video ad in order to boost video advertising campaigns, because sometimes it will be enough to simply redesign the visual assets used on your video ads, such as fonts and backgrounds. The best ways to know what modifications you will need to do on your visual assets is to either split test your campaigns at launch or to poll your potential user base using cards on YouTube or on social media.